My name is Dovey Johnson Roundtree, and I was born on April 17th, 1914, in Charlotte, North Carolina. My life began in the shadows of segregation, but I made it my mission to live in the light of justice. I was raised by strong Black women, especially my grandmother, a former slave who taught me that dignity is non-negotiable. That belief guided me every step of the way, even when the doors of opportunity were slammed in my face. In the 1940s, I joined the military, not as a nurse or a clerk, but as one of the first Black women commissioned as an officer in the Women's Army Auxiliary Corps, WAAC. That wasn't easy. The Army wasn't built for someone like me, but I didn't join to be accepted. I joined to make space for Black women like me to serve with pride. After the war, I studied law at Howard University, learning from legal giants like Charles Hamilton Houston and Thurgood Marshall. They didn't just teach us to practice law, they taught us to fight with it, to wield it like a sword. In 1955, I took on a case that would change my life and the country. I defended Sarah Keyes, a Black woman soldier who had been thrown off a bus for refusing to give up her seat. It was long before Rosa Parks, but we fought that injustice all the way to the Interstate Commerce Commission, and we won. That case helped lay the foundation for desegregating public transportation nationwide. But I didn't stop in the courtroom. I became a minister, a teacher, and a lifelong mentor. I believed justice had to be fought on every front: law, faith, and education. As a Black woman attorney in Washington, D.C., I took cases others wouldn't touch. I didn't care about fame. I cared about freedom. I cared about truth. In 2009, at age 95, I co-wrote my autobiography, Justice Older Than the Law. First Lady Michelle Obama placed a copy in the Library of Congress, calling my life an example for generations. I passed on May 21st, 2018, at the age of 104. But my fight lives on in every woman who dares to lead, every lawyer who defends the voiceless, and every Black girl who walks into a room she wasn't expected to enter and owns it. I was Dovey Johnson Roundtree. I didn't just practice law, I practiced liberation.